What if you had been an investor in the internet boom or the explosion in wireless? Can you imagine how different your life would be? Any great technology shift presents great opportunity, and it's here for you today. An opportunity that equips you for the future and gives you greater control in today's uncertain economy. Thanks to digital phone service and the revolutionary new video phone from ACN, you have the power to ride the next wave of technology as far as you want to take it. Imagine being part of a company that creates life-changing financial freedom for thousands of people all over the world. That's ACN. Founded in 1993, ACN continues to grow by offering more choices and greater value on the essential services millions of consumers already use and will continue to use every single day, as well as the services of the future. This is the market of the 21st century, and it now exceeds $1.25 trillion annually. ACN remains perfectly positioned to capitalize on this incredible opportunity. So can you.
How do you have lifestyle, which is freedom to do what you want with your time, without having to always be at work and at the office? And as you build something as an asset for income, then you will start to have the time to really enjoy life and live life the way it's meant to be.
The numbers made sense enough for me to just get started. And from there, just by having good mentors and such a great system provided by ACN, we've been able to plug in and have a lot of success.
ACN combines telecommunications expertise with today's home-based business model. It's a simple and proven method to bring more money into your home and more freedom into your life. A formula for success and a lucrative future.
ACN has really shared with us an opportunity to be able to have something that the corporate world can't give us. We have a quality of life where we can get up in the morning and decide what we want to do then if we want to.
That's because our greatest growth lies ahead, and you can be on the ground floor of technology's newest revolution, featuring the next must-have device, the ACN video phone. Simple, real-time, a true-to-life video experience changing the face of communications as we know it.
And what about video phones? Digital phone service. Nobody has that right now. Everybody's going to have that in the future. All the new technologies that are going to happen, ACN is at the forefront of it. They're investing the money, they're putting the time, the talents, the efforts, all in one direction, being a major player in that industry, which never ceases to grow worldwide.
One day soon, every home or office will have a video phone, and ACN will meet the demand as the market continues its steady growth. It adds up to a lot of new customers needing a lot of new video phones. Imagine the possibilities. Innovation is nothing new at ACN. With offices throughout North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific, we support the businesses of tens of thousands of successful independent representatives in 19 countries and growing. Clearly, it works to everyone's advantage. Our success has been profiled in USA Today, Success Magazine, US Business Review, Fortune Magazine, and Success from Home Magazine. Inc. Magazine ranked ACN the 22nd fastest growing company in North America within our first 5 years in business. Now we have evolved into the largest direct seller of telecommunications services in the world. What does that mean for you? The freedom to participate in the ACN opportunity at any level you choose, as a full-time career or as a way to earn extra income on a part-time basis. In our fast-paced, increasingly impersonal global economy, job security is a thing of the past. It's critical to have a backup plan for your future.
This is my 14th year with ACN, and they have been unbelievable years. Every year is a growth year, personally, financially. It's just been a great 14 years.
With the freedom that residual income gives you through ACN, you're able to pursue and do the things you really want to do.
You don't have to sell ACN. What you have to offer is the opportunity for someone to be able to change their life financially through an industry that is always going to be there for every single person we know.
The principles that I heard in the ACN presentation were just unbelievable, where you could have time and money together, where you could build your own business, where you could have freedom, and then you could enjoy the fruits of your labor. That really was attractive to me.
At ACN, our representatives earn residual income. Every time someone pays for their telecommunications services, you get paid. Not once, but every month. Month after month, year after year. You receive a percentage of your customers' monthly bills for as long as they continue to use our services. And every time you acquire a new customer or help an existing customer add a new service, you give yourself a raise. But that's just the beginning. Introduce others to the ACN opportunity, and as their customers use ACN services, not only does their monthly residual income grow, so does yours.
You can really build a true residual, just maintain what the qualifications are. And that's amazing. I think more people should focus on, look at what we need to do to have a real chance here. What if we can do this? And the company puts no pressure on you like you have to do it. It's when you do it. Beautiful compensation plan.
The benefit to this is, getting farther ahead quicker. Without putting a 40-year commitment in with a company, you can do it in 4, 5, 7 years here and then enjoy the next 30.
Knowing that if there's a phone and a laptop, or you have the devices necessary to drive your national business, you can live any way you want to live.
That's the great thing about this industry, is that there's someone that's had success and willing to show you how they did it, as long as you're willing to go find out the information from wherever they have it. And that's all that I did.
There's no limit to the number of customers you can acquire, and no limit to the number of people you can introduce to ACN. It's a remarkable system where everyone benefits and everyone wins. So instead of asking, what if, ask, what's next? And get there first with ACN.